day 438. They thought I was crazy, said prepping was for weirdos. Now I'm the weird one, with power, food, and toilet paper. Welcome to the Red Tape Report.
Behold, nourishment engineered to outlive us all. This is freedom in a foil pouch. Thank you, Always Be Ready USA. Tastes like victory.
If anyone's out there, I'm broadcasting on all frequencies. If you've got a nosebleed and your neighbor's dog started talking, it's working.
Protect your minds, folks. This vest, Moly compatible. Straight from Always Be Ready USA. High fashion for high alert.
They don't want you to know this, but the shipment, it's here. Always be ready, see? It's time.
Everything in this bag has a 97% chance of saving your life. The other 3%, that's to confuse the enemy.
You laugh now, but when the power goes out, you'll wish you have one of these generators from alwaysbereadyusa.com.
I ain't saying it was aliens, but it was aliens. If you don't hear from me tomorrow, I made contact.
The simulation's rebooting. I don't know if it's solar flares or ghosts, but Always Be Ready has a compass that doesn't betray you like this junk.
I love Always Be Ready USA like I love my lockpicks, but I draw the line at dried fruit. Dental trauma.